3.1 overall operations, I can decide which operations should be used in cellular equations.
Good. Order of operations. Thank you, Mary. Order of operations, the definition would be what, everybody?
PEMDAS.
PEMDAS. And remember, multiplication and division and addition and subtraction are
In love.
in love. What does that mean? Somebody explain what that means loudly. What does that mean, Ella?
Well, if multiplication is first, then you would do that one first, and if division was first, then you would just do that.
Wonderful. If you have multiplication and division inside of a problem, you do whichever one comes first. Okay? Nested parentheses. We gave you an example of these. Nested parentheses are parentheses inside parentheses. So here would be a set of parentheses, and here would be another set inside there. The nested parentheses are nested or nestled right inside of the main parentheses. And then you all are probably pretty good at variables, letters that represent numbers. When solving order of operations with variables, in this case, number 4, we gave you x. We told you that x is equal to 6. So what you would do is restate the problem by plugging in 6 for x, right? Right, Absa? And then solve. In this particular problem, we didn't give you any numbers at all. We gave you tons of variables. Well, we gave you the square, but we gave you tons of variables. In order to solve, though, you got to know what those variables represent. Once you know what they represent, we plugged in the numbers for the letters and solved using order of operations. And then the last problem, number 6, is a great example of nested parentheses. I think Lincoln solved this one for us. Here is the problem with all the numbers plugged in. The very first thing Lincoln did was 2 plus 5, which was our 7, and then he filled in the rest of the problem and solved using order of operations. Questions?